Now we again move to the question number 13. In question number 13, you know, in each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest digit to make it divisible by 11. So now we take the second part of it. This is 230 and this is star and 7 and 5. And you know the divisibility test by 11 very well. So first of all, we represent it in odd and even number places. So now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this one is 6. This one is 6. Is it clear? Now first of all, step 1. In step 1, you know very well, we are taking odd positions. Odd places. Odd places is this circle. I circle the odd places and I circle it. And I rectangle the square places to understand clearly. Now we take the first plus third plus fifth places. Now first place is 2. This is 0. This is 7. Now we will what we get? 2 plus 0, 2 plus 7, 9. This is your step 1. Is it clear? Now we move to the step 2. Step 2. We take even places 2 plus 4 plus 6. And 2 is 3. 2 is 3 plus 4 is star. And this one is 5. Now 3 plus star plus 5 you get 8 plus star. Is it clear? I think you clear the step 1 and step 2. We add sum of odd places. We are taking odd places and circle it. Okay? After that adding you get 9. In step 2 we rectangle it the even places and sum of it get 8 plus star. Now we move to the third step. Now we move to the third step. And the step third is step 1 minus step 2. Is it clear? Now this is 9 minus 8 plus star. Step 1, the result of step 1 is 9. Step 2, the result of step 2 is 8 plus star, and we find the value of it. You know, if the result is coming in 0 or multiple of 10, multiple of 11, I am extremely sorry. If the result is coming 0 or multiple of 11, it is divisible by 11. So now, how we find it? 9 minus 8 plus star. So if we put the smallest value 1 here, because if you put 0, suppose I put 0 here, so now 8 plus 0, 8. Now again we move to the next number is 1. If we place 1 here, so that is coming 9 minus 8 plus 1. And the result is 9 minus 9 is 0. So I repeat again. According to the divisibility test by 11, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit in the odd places and the sum of its digit in the even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. So now you get 11 when you place 1. When you place 1 in the position of star. So now the answer is 1. You replace 1 in the position of star and it is the number is divisible by 11. Otherwise, this is the smallest number. You take another, but this is the smallest one because according to the question you take the in which of the each of the following number replace star by the smallest digit. So now 1 is the smallest digit to replace star, and after replacing it you get the result, it is divisible by 11. Is it clear? I think you clear the concept of this question. I repeat again, the divisibility test by 7 and divisibility test by 11 is most important. So you easily understand this concept by following step 1, step 2 and step 3. Why you put 1 here? Because if you put 0, 8 plus 0, 8, 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, that is not divisible by 11. So you put another number 1. 1 is the smallest number. When you put replace star from 1, it is divisible by 11. Is it clear? So this is the mechanism of question number 13. You follow the mechanism and solve the rest part of it.